Welcome back. The defining characteristic of a list is its mutability, the ability to change it after creation. In this lecture, we will learn the essential methods for adding elements to a list and removing them. 1. Adding elements. Python provides 3 primary methods for adding items to a list: append, insert, and extend. Let's start with a list of names. A. Appending, append. The append method adds a single element to the end of the list. This is the most common way to add items. B. Inserting, insert. The insert method allows you to add a single element at a specific index. It takes 2 arguments, the index position and the item itself. C. Extending, extend. The extend method is used to add all the elements from another list or any iterable to the current list. 2. Removing elements. You have several ways to remove elements, depending on whether you know the item's value or its index. A. Removing by value, remove. The remove method removes the first occurrence of a specified value from a list. If the item is not found, it will raise a value error. B. Removing by index, pop. The pop method removes the element at a specified index and returns that element. If no index is specified, it removes and returns the last item. The pop method is useful when you need to use the removed item later, such as when implementing a stack data structure. C. Removing a range, del keyword. The del keyword, short for delete, is a general Python statement used to delete objects, including removing elements from a list by index or by slice. To summarize, use append for the end, insert for a specific spot, and extend to merge lists. Use remove to delete by value, pop to delete by index and retrieve the item, and the del keyword to remove by index or slice. We've covered the core manipulation methods. In our next lecture, 04.09, few more list functions, we will explore other essential list methods for sorting, counting, and finding elements. See you there.